Still see your eyes open. Close your eyes. Cassidy. Cassidy. Close your eyes. I can still see your eyes blinking. What's up with that eyes? It's bedtime. Close your eyes. It's still blinking. I can still see your ears moving. Bedtime. See, I can still see your eyes open. You better close your eyes now. Good night night. Do you want me to tuck you in? Do you want me to tuck you in so you go to bed? I can still see your eyes blinking. Okay. I said close your eyes. It's bedtime. It is bedtime. I can still see that eyes blinking. Can you close the eyes now? Being a good girl. It is bedtime. Your eyes still blinking. You gotta go sleep now. Okay. Go close your eyes. Is that close? It's still blinking. Are you sure? You close your eyes, baby Cassidy. No, it's still blinking. I can see your eyes still open. Is Cassidy's gonna be a good girl? Bedtime. It's bedtime, baby girl. Okay? Close your eyes. That's such a good girl. Close your eyes, baby Cassidy. It's sleep time. It is sleep time. I can still see your eyes moving. It is bedtime. Bedtime, baby girl. No, you're still blinking. Okay, can you close your eyes now?
That's when I had an honest conversation with my doctor. We discussed all the symptoms, then he gave me some blood tests. Showed it was low T. That's it.
Just go to sleep.
Not just me. Today, men with low T have
It's almost 10 o'clock.
2% testosterone gel, the #1 prescribed topical testosterone replacement therapy.
Okay. You're a good girl. Sleep now. Go to sleep, Cassidy. Go to sleep now, baby girl. It's bedtime. My baby girl, it's bedtime. I can still see your eyes blinking. You better close it now before I turn off the light.
Turn it up. In a clinical study, over 80% of treated men had their T levels restored to normal.
Okay, turn before I turn off the light.
I thought ringing in the ears was something I just had to live with. Then my doctor told me about lipoflavonoid. Said it improves inner ear circulation to help relieve the ringing. She was so right. Lipoflavonoid, #1 doctor recommended to relieve ringing in the ears. Allergy congestion overwhelming you? Allegra D decongests, depressurizes, so you can breathe. Allegra D targets inflammation fast to break up your toughest congestion and pressure for 24 hours of relief. Allegra D. Stop suffering. Start living.
At TurboTax, we know this is more than a paycheck, and you need to stretch every dollar of it. That's why we let you file your simple federal return for free. It's free to prepare, print, e-file, and you can even chat with a tax expert. Try the federal free edition at TurboTax.com.
Dandruff flakes meet Selsun Science. Sayonara. Selsun Blue gets to the root of dandruff, washing flakes out and putting moisturizers in. Selsun Blue. And for severe dandruff, get Selsun Blue Deep Cleansing Microbead Scrub.
Close your eyes now. Close your eyes.
David Hygen and Eugene Plotkin are looking to score
It's
big, and they'll do
bedtime.
anything to get the cash they crave.
They were on
Bedtime.
the quest to make money fast, and they were going to do it any way they possibly could. And these guys had schemes going right and left.
In their first insider trading scheme, Hygen and Plotkin pay factory workers to steal advance copies of Business Week. They get a sneak peek at a market-moving column and some shady
Just
trading
I can
gets them
still
nearly
see your
300
eyes
grand.
open.
They want more. Next, they hatch a second plan that hits at the very
It's still
heart of
blinking.
the Wall Street machine.
Now, if you're going to do insider
Can
trading,
still
the
see
ultimate
it
way to do it
blinking.
is to have someone
There you
inside
go,
the
it's
investment bank
open
or the
again.
company when there's a merger or acquisition about to happen. Because the company's being acquired, the
Good
stock always shoots up.
night.
It's a guaranteed thing.
In the fall of 2004,
Nighttime.
Plotkin contacts an old acquaintance, 22-year-old Stanislav Spiegel,
Nighttime.
who works in the mergers and acquisitions department at Merrill Lynch. Spiegelman has access to valuable information.
When you can really pin down the timing of a deal, that's when you can really make